So let's experience the first time boot and setup of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. So I'm going to boot this for the first time. I've just taken it out of the box and we're going to set it up together. So the power button, when you're holding the tablet like this, is on your left hand side, and when you hold it like this, it's going to be on the right hand side. Okay, so it's this one right here next to the volume rockers. So that's what you want to press and hold for a couple of seconds, maybe until you see the Samsung logo or feel a vibration, and then you can let go and allow the tablet to boot up. So as usual, you get the welcome screen where you can change the language if you need to. For me, it's English and it's fine. So I'll just cancel that and then tap on start. And then it's going to give me the end user license agreement, which I have to agree to, and the privacy policy before I'm able to tap on agree to proceed. So I'm just going to tap on that. And then there's going to be an easy setup with another device. Now, this is the part that allows you to link your tablet to another device, maybe another Samsung phone you might have, or an iPhone. Doesn't really matter. But for me, I'm going to set it up manually because I'm assuming this is going to be a separate device. So I'll go to setup manually. And then, of course, it's going to ask me to choose a Wi-Fi network. I'll just choose and connect. Once you get connected, it's going to tell you it's getting ready. And usually, depending on what region you're in, it may ask to restart. So it's going to prompt me to copy apps and data. It actually didn't ask me to restart. So I'm going to choose again, don't copy. So it's still checking info. And then it's going to ask me to sign in to my Google account. Now, you can do this right now, or you can do it later. So I'll just, for the interest of time, I'll skip this and do it later. So skip. And then you have your Google services, which you have to read and accept. And then you can choose to protect your tablet either with Face ID or fingerprint or PIN, password or pattern. Now again, I'll skip this to do that later. So just skip. Keep in mind that this will leave your tablet vulnerable and your information vulnerable. So we have one account, any device just for you. So this is basically a prompt to sign in with your Samsung account. Now you can proceed by scanning this QR code with your phone, or you can skip this and do it later. So I'm going to tap on forgot and then select setup later in settings. And then on this page, once again, tap on skip. Then you have your Samsung service legal information, all that stuff. You have terms and conditions, and then all that stuff. So you can just tap on agree. You have your Samsung services, which you have to read and agree, and then choose whether you want to use it in light mode or dark mode. I'm going to choose light mode for now, and then tap on next. And then let's see it set up the tablet. On this page, just tap on next. And then I am all set up. So just tap on finish, and that's it. There is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Beautiful, big and magnificent tablet. So I'll be making subsequent videos on how to navigate and use this tablet and how to do different things. So make sure you get subscribed not to miss any of this, and of course any other product in the Samsung ecosystem. Thanks for watching and good luck.